Soon after moving to Paris in September, these British students fell sick with coronavirus. They began having symptoms after attending university events and welcome parties.
They were social distance, we were wearing masks, but sometimes that doesn't stop it if you're in a crowded place. And we stopped going to our lectures as soon as we started getting very tired and fatigued.
Nearly half the students in their year were infected. For some, recovery has been slow.
I mean, I was careful before, but I don't want to get it again, or I don't know if we're immune, but no, I'm a lot more conscious of it now.
New COVID infections are rising rapidly in Paris, particularly among the young. In the past couple of weeks, queues outside laboratories like this one in the city have been getting longer. And what Paris health officials say is that 1 in 5 tests is coming back positive. France's government has placed the city on maximum alert. Bars, gyms and pools are shut. People are urged to work from home and avoid public transport.
There is a reality of a second wave, and so I implore people clearly that we must mobilise each and everyone to face this second wave. We cannot afford to let go.
Despite the restrictions, Paris's intensive care beds continue to fill with COVID patients. Hospital officials warn they are near capacity. The problem, says this epidemiologist, is that the government is taking the wrong approach, relying on restrictive measures rather than widespread testing.
The solution would be to decide to test massively the population, and that can be done both using PCR tests with group testing, where you put in one tube the samples from 20 or 30 people, and also with the antigenic tests. So that's what's being done in the countries where the virus has been contained.
The French president is expected to discuss testing and announce more restrictions in a rare TV interview on Wednesday. For months, Emmanuel Macron has urged people to live with the virus. But as the country battles a second wave, some hope he'll use his address to inject a sense of gravity into an increasingly urgent situation. Natacha, Butler, Al Jazeera, Paris.